Y'all know I changed my avatar. Now I look like this. I changed. I've been a Pekin for a long time. So I've played this game before. And I'm 46. And my age is only 7. Oh, you know. I create a short making my real age. Yeah. What did she say? Hannah. Okay, join me. Hannah. Oh my god. Why is my little sister watching horror movie? She's only 5. I'm her big sister. Also, we have a baby brother. Oh my god. Yo, something punk high. Why is this hobby so hard? Hannah. So that's you are okay. What? Yay! I made it! Gonna be so happy. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, Lord. Please, can I pass this? Oh my god. Me and the pink hair girl are doing so hard. And me trying so pretty hard. Like pretty hard. Oh my god. That fuck girl, can you help me? Who said that? Madindindin dun. O dindindin dun. Sorry guys. Yeah, no. Sorry, that's my burp. Oh my god. Heard that? Oh my god. Oh my god, wait guys. I'm gonna go outside first. Please wait for me, y'all. Alright, I'm back. Did you wait for me, y'all? Sorry. Do you guys hear Tagalog version? Sorry guys. Ano lang yung adding ko eh. Wala nang version. Gusto ko lang Tagalog version. Di ko alam, dito na pala ako kakapasok ko lang pala yun. San? Hi! Ay, dito na pala ako. Pati ko naman na-realize. Wait lang. Alright guys, I'm back. Nandito na ulit ako. Oh my god, lagi ako natatalo dito. Sorry guys sa mga version. Wala nang version for now on guys. Mag-i-speak din na ako ng English eh. Sauhara. Yan po siya. Sorry if that's Mick, huwag ka naman maingay, no? Nickname niya guys, nickname ng ading ko, Mick. Anxiety, but I change. Mick, mag-say hello ka daw sa mga... Hello. Tawa ka pa dyan, ah. So, lagi ako nanonood ng mga satisfying videos, right?
Lagi siya nanonood ng Roblox, guys.
Oh, malamang, kasi favorite game ko Roblox. My favorite game is Roblox. Do y'all guys know? Roblox. Fave game is named Roblox. Sorry, I'm failing English again. Why am I failing English again? Sorry guys. You might hear that.
Uy, tulog siya ba kinne?
Uy, sorry. Baby brother namin yun, guys. Ah! Bakit pa mo ako nagpamatay? Ano, bacon. Ayun, idea mo. Idea ko nga rin yan. Sige, Sam. Oh my god. So this account is made by my phone, but I have a tablet too. My phone doesn't have Roblox, but my tablet does. Oh my god. Oh my. Why? There, yeah. Oh my god.
Kinabahan lang siya.
I have to end the video. Bye guys. See you for next part 2.